like news updates, trendy news, like everything good. Like you guys, we are here to give you good vibes. We are updating like you know,
good vibes, hit music, because it is all about hanyuma rero kade njya numva ngo hari abantu bibwira ko ngo kuba warabaye miss ngo ibintu ntabwo ushobora kubikora.
like ahubwo nibwo ugomba gutangira gukora ibintu byinshi biri.
Ubu noneho nibwo ugiye kugaragara.
Nibwo ugomba gutangira gukora ibintu byinshi.
Nibwo bagiye kukubona.
Because okay, yeah, sometimes nabonye abantu bajya bavuga abakobwa bagiye muri aya marushanwa nyuma yaho they are doing nothing, bakubona kuri social media wa posting exactly bakabaza uyakora iki blah blah blah. But to be honest, iyo uri umuntu uzi ubwenge, that's a good platform iti gushira out there kugira ngo ukore ibintu bikomeye cyane.
Ibintu bikomeye cyane. Ni nabyo Cadette rero ubu ngubu and down, hosted by Joy Mignone and Cadette Big C from Monday to Friday, 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. We're gonna listen to this song, ya Burna Boy, by the way. Burna Boy, arihe muri means. Reka tuanze twumve iyi ndirimbo ya Burna Boy, and then we're gonna come back after this song. Urabibonye? 5 minutes.
I know, right?
Sort of.
Iminota gushira vuba.
Let me drop in at 5 minutes.
So guys, I wanted to update you ko twatangiye gukora mugende kumva radio because we have good news. Okay, kacha koza mbanze de comment zanyu.
Rero kwita noneho tuvuga ati tukivuga rero ku bintu by'ubwiza n'ibiki, hari umukobwa wo muri Tanzania and all that, yeah?
Yeah.
You're gonna ugiye noneho kuba ari wotangira, right?
Yeah. Okay. Let me close this. Guys, bye.
Gucha ugiye kwambara, right? 1 2 3.
Bye. Hey, I don't know mbere ko dukorana. Say hi.
Hello.
She's there.
This is becoming something now.
It is burning. Okay, guys, bye. Mrekeje gukora. Okay, mugende kwijana na katandatu n'ibice birindwi. Amakuru yose. Abantu mu nkunda mufata utu video muri kumva radio muze kuntaginga I will post you. Okay? Niba uri umuntu nkunda unyifuriza ibyiza ngo shiro radio hanyuma uze gufata aka video untaginge like aka video uri kumva turi kuvuga untaginge I will repost you. Okay? Bye. I love you all. Wish me luck because you guys, I'm scared. Abantu muri yose ngo baratwumvira he? Abantu mutari bona ukuntu mutwumva baraza kwishira kuri YouTube, mugende musubscribing kuri YouTube channel ya Urban Radio. Yeah, haraza kujya ibiganiro byose twakoze.
Hari muhira mu
sibyo? Dumunyamakuru ya. I work here, I'm not a guest. Okay, nati. Nari umuntu mwe ngo vala yifuza ngo dufungure radio.
Izere kutazishiraho ziri wrong.
I saw someone. I'm not serious.
Station radio.
So as we're saying, you know, irushanwa ry'ubwiza akenshi abantu bakunda gutekereza ngo hari imyaka runaka, hari lifestyle runaka umuntu agomba kuba afite kugira ngo arijyemo cyangwa se ntarijyemo, which is not true these days. Okay, so ugasanga umwana w'umukobwa hari nka challenge yagiye ahura nazo mu buzima zikaba zatuma yirimita kwitabira irushanwa ry'ubwiza, like yumva ko ni iby'abantu bari, you know,
normalement ubundi hari criteria kugira ngo buri rushanwa rero rifite nka criteria abantu
rirahari, barebera ku myaka, bakarebera of course iyo riri kubera mu gihugu runaka ugomba kuba ufite ubwene gihugu bw'icyo gihugu. Nkurikije ngeje nitabiriye hari santimetero z'uburebure badupimaga. Okay, uburebure bana Okay, let's continue.
Abanyarwanda bavuga ngo umuntu agundi mu ntege.
Actually tugomba gutekereza no ku bantu.